Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about ICP USDT trading pair with my customer said. What's going on now? Just a local updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, my plan for ICP with the higher targets absolutely still the same. So targets absolutely still the same. And we have to understand. So not all tokens will hit the new all-time high. Not even, I guess, 50% of all of them will hit the new all-time high. That's why all of these targets about ICP to 500 to 1K targets and all of this stuff, it's absolutely, for me, sounds nonsense. Yeah. People who share the idea about a so crazy utility, so crazy useful case about ICP at 15, at $20, now start complaining about this project. So, oh, it's infinity supply. Oh, it's a biggest mistake and all of this stuff. So people build their plan for each token just based it on emotion, and the marketing. So guys, just forget about the marketing. Just forget about the fundamental, because you can see if the ICP is so good, why the suck and dump it so easy. Previously dump it and now pump and dump it. Just because the one simple answer is just a simple asset. Just a simple asset for the trades. And the whales absolutely don't care about the utility of this token or ADA or Polkadot or I don't know, Ethereum. Just keep in mind this. So we are in the financial market and the main goal here is finish the ride with a profit in USD or your own fiat money. Simple. If you use, of course, in personal, propose some ICP, I don't know, for chats, for, I don't know, where you can use it, for staking maybe. Of course, you can have own goal, accumulate more ICP, guys. But I'm like a trader, I'm like investor, I work just with the price action, with the zones of accumulation distribution, and I absolutely don't give what will happen next with ICP. I will never use it in real life. So guys, I trade its assets. And if we're going down, I can open short position and make money. So that's the deal. Never be so greedy and never fall in love with some tokens. So the targets, conservative price target for ICP is still relevant at $38. And I think we will hit that target. Now a lot of people so skeptical about ICP. Oh, it's a scam token, we're going to zero. The people react so emotional when we stop it at 3 and then pump it to 20. Everybody scream we're going to the moon, to the 100, to the 200. Now the same people start complaining and blame the ICP. Nothing changed with ICP, but just because the world changed. So now we got a Trump. Now we have to pay attention for the macro. That's it. So the next conservative price target, it's 86 and 92. Two targets, 1, 2. You think, oh, it's not a big deal, it's not enough, I need to bigger gains. Guys, I remind you, the H-bar, for example, last cycle reached it in the bull run. So you remember the hype in 2021. The H-bar, the crazy fundamental project, reached only 2,000% gains. 2,000% gains, guys. And if the ICP will follow this plan, at the first zone, it's going to be 1K279 only if now, because we can work with the current data, because people always, oh, it's a 50-50. It's always 50-50. It's always 50-50. Just in the next second, the Trump will post something. The people can't realize. So everything what we see on the chart just depends of the big guys who can post whatever they want. They can say whatever they want, right? And we can work only with this current data, current market, and based on this current data, current market, we build our own plan. It's pretty simple, guys. So we can't move up forever, down forever. So it's pretty simple. That's why I believe, even with this market condition, even if we drop under the low of September 2023, $2.82, we will bounce sooner or later to 38 and higher targets. And it will be 1K269% gains, and around here is going to be 3,000% gains. Imagine, it's amazing. It's amazing profit. It's an amazing profit. Just because the size of initial deposit is so small, it sounds like, oh, it's not a big deal. But imagine you invest like, I don't know, 1 million in ICP and you get like 3,000% gains. So 100% gains for 1 million investment It's 1 million profit. So what people complain about it? So the problem with the size of initial deposit. So that's it. And all of that, guys, all of that big funds, maybe even the team, we can't know, guys. They accumulate the big side of position, and after that they distribute step by step and out in the average with the millions, just millions USD from the air, from just one single virtual assets. That's why, guys, follow the plan, own plan. Take a look. Monthly time frame. Can we drop? Yes, of course we can. Now we stop at the full fill of monthly, this one, tiny monthly gap. Bam. Monthly gap. Close. Yes. Next one, where is here? 338 and 370. Can we drop? Yes. April, May, we can't know the time. We can't. Can we bounce? Yes, of course we can. But where we should fix a profit? Here. This is the next zone of interest for fixation. We got a zone of interest for accumulation. So previously it was this zone, $4.94, 95, 97. We stop it. So it was a logical zone of interest. This is the next one. And the next one is going to be here. If we drop, you do this. If we not drop, you do this. It's about action. I'm skip now, ICP. I'm skip. Because I don't have unlimited budget, guys, like other influencers. So my step for ICP, I will buy ICP for the spot. If we will drop, for example, to this weekly gap, around $3.44, $2.50, for example. Maybe I will buy. Now I can find maybe some entries for the futures position with the second 5x, 10x leverage. So that's it. But basically, I don't care about ICP at all. Next step is going to be here. This is a first trouble area, $8. Next one, $15.57. Believe you or not, but one day we will come back and sweep this liquidity pool. It's just a matter of time, guys. $20.98 also. Next step is here, 38 and this one. So this is of course just my thoughts, guys. It's not an answer, so it will play out. I just build my plan, what I will do if the ICP will go down or up. Let's check with my customer. So technically, guys, here, the worst case and at the same time the best case scenario, if we dump and sweep the $2.50, for example, and we will form the crazy weekly divergence. So here, one drop, here is the second one, and we can see this third one in the form of divergence and the weekly. Of course, it's going to be just a mind-blowing minus 50% from this current prices, but it is what it is. Here, accumulation. How playing out accumulation previously? Here, we accumulate, then dump from $4.28 to $2.70, for example. Now the same story. This is a capitulation. Technically, everything okay. What I don't like, take a look, we're still in a kind of like a free zone about ICP. So sentiment about ICP so positive. Direction we let down at the bottom, bounce it. Now I wish to hold a line here and go higher. Of course, guys, I'm not that bearish guy who always want to see the down. No, of course I want to see the portfolio up in the trades. So here, a local one. When we see something like this one, we come back and close 50%. Like this one, we can come back, close like this one. If we will see another one in summer, it's going to be the worst price action because we're just in the chop. Just in the chop since March 2024. So imagine, yes, we can drop like this one, hold the line, bounce, go over then $9, $10, going to be like psychological price. And after that, in summer, drop, and only in autumn will recover. We can't control the markets. That's why we have to just adjust our actions to the price action. What do we get now? So the plan is pretty simple. Targets, buy, take profit, sell. No signal to take profit. Let's add alert to take profit signal here. So I need to take profit signal from that sell. It will mean, I need to close all short and start accumulate the assets. Maybe we'll not see the take profit because the main buy signal was earlier, still relevant. Take profit, guys, yes, here. People won't believe it, but we landed on the fundamental wall. 438 was the fundamental value of the stock. And now we try to hold the line here. Daily, fundamental value of the stock in 355. 12 time frame, a little bit lower, I guess. Yes, here. The buy line for ICP, $3.92. Fundamental value of the stock, and with a weak candle, yes, we can grab this liquidity. It's going to be just a mind-blowing $2.93. But what we can do? We can just work with this current price action. No makes sense, guys, all the time. I repeat all the time. No makes sense to buy the deep after the deep, buy the deep after the deep. No, just build one single plan and follow your plan. Here, the last accumulation was at $5, and here at $5.01 and $5.07. Now no accumulation. Weekly time frame, guys, here, and the wells accumulated at 655. I wish to see one more money inflow drop and one more money inflow. So the average entry for that, guys, will be around 4. After that, I'm more than sure at 8 we will see some money outflow and we go higher. So pretty simple, guys. I'll recommend you go and check the main videos about ICP so you'll understand the logic. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment, what do you think about ICP? Are we go to the new historical low or we go to 30? And what is your last target, realistic target, please, for ICP for this run, this year, next one? If you like to trade with my customer what showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.